All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for a BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Uniswap cryptocurrency. Yeah, Uniswap right now is up like way over 30-some%. We're going to go over that in the last 7 days. In the last 24 hours, it's got a super uptick right now. We're going to go over that. We're also going to kind of go over the holders of Uniswap. There's been a big increase in the last 90 days. We want to talk about that. All kinds of good stuff on this cryptocurrency channel today. We're going to also talk how you can track ETH whales on a Uniswap app so you can see what the whales are doing and what they're buying. Pretty awesome there. That could help you when you're making your decisions on what whales are buying, what whales are not buying. And since Christmas has just happened a day or two ago, hope everybody had an awesome Christmas. And the Apple iPad drops back down to $299 for Amazon. I wanted to go over that. Everybody's looking for good deals and stuff like that. Apple iPad, everybody's on computers, so we're going to go a little bit over that. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's go ahead and head over to Uniswap cryptocurrency. All right, now again, last week everything was red. Now it's this big time green. I knew that was going to happen. I was talking about buying the dip, buying the discount. Did you think that Uniswap was going to be up 38%, 37% in 7 days? I mean, that's what we talk about. When everything is red, this is what people are looking for. Now it's fantastic. The coin is absolutely popping. It's up 10% in the last 24 hours, but it's up 37% in the last 7 days. Clicking it over here, 10% up, $19.79. We'll do a little price prediction at the end of everything. So I wanted to do the last 7 days. Take a look. Uniswap down here about 7 days ago, $14, $12.20. It's at 19. That's a $5 increase. And then here's that ATV going up the mountain. I mean, come on, everybody. Uniswap is banging hard. It's way up. When the coins are down, I always ask people, do you like it when it's down or do you like it when it's up? But I mean, fantastic that Uniswap is just fantastically doing good right now. Want to check the holders? Click the 3 months. All right, I like to do this just to kind of show everybody if there's traction going on or not traction. You know, September 30th, right here, September 28th, 272,000 holders, 272. September 28th, November 28th, 289, and today, 295. So 295 to 272. So it's about 23,000. So it's up about 10%. So guess what? In the last 90 days, the holders of Uniswap has increased by 10%. That's always a good indication. If more and more people are owning and holding the coin, things are happening in the positive. Just a little thing on the Twitter account, Uniswap Labs. Do you want to help build the future of decentralized finance? Well, guess what, everybody? Uniswap is hiring 4 engineer roles just to spread the word out there. Senior front-end engineer, smart contract engineer, full stack engineer, software engineer, intern. So spread the word on that. Uniswap is hiring 4. And the stronger we get them, the better the coin works. It's a fantastic way this whole thing works. So right here, you can now track Ethereum whales on Uniswap with this app. A new app is tracking whale movements on Uniswap in real time with the hopes that the DeFi world would become a little easier. Yeah, they're pushing the chips towards you because this is a game changer, everybody. The world of ERC20 tokens is notoriously difficult to keep up with. An app has been launched to track big DeFi transactions and notify users. The app, Uniwhale, tracks movement on Uniswap and is planning on the new app for tracking whales on Ethereum is hoping to make it easier. Uniwhale launched in September. The latest big transaction on decentralized exchange, Uniswap via Telegram alert. It keeps track of all the new ERC20 tokens that spring into existence and their trading volumes and leading DEX. Right here, the volume spikes. You see Uniwhale right there. You know, why would you like to know? Because things move fast and innovation happens at a breakneck speed in the DeFi world. Announcements are consistent. Price changes in a matter of seconds. You know, hacks are becoming more real. Uniwhale founder, and I think it's important, this is what the founder said, I think it's important for the retailer users of Uniswap traders to know in real time where their capital flows in order to identify the trends in the market movement. You know, it kind of says right here, the whales are a market mover of DeFi. The signal is where the market is going. As a DeFi trader, when a coin goes up 40% in 30 minutes, now you want to know that information as soon as possible, don't you? Now, the app is free to start. Users can pay to access the Telegram group that gives the whale analysts. Now, Uniwhale is trying to keep up with the ever-evolving DeFi space. Today, the app announced that it would be launching a new Telegram channel dedicated solely to Sushi Swap movement. Uniwhale right here, the new TG channel in development. Sushi Swap, large swaps, and liquidity provider adds and removes. So more great information. So yeah, right here at the top again, you can now track ETH whales and Uniswap with this app. Fantastic information. You know, I do think that's big and important. Just like they said, if a big whale comes in and it moves the market, you know, 30, 40, 20% in a matter of 30 minutes, and you get a text message or something alert on it, then, you know, you do want to know that kind of stuff. So this could be another breakthrough Uniswap is doing. With the price going up, and it keeps bringing more and more awesome things, go Uniswap. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. You know, we always talk about cryptocurrency, and we bring up some stocks and different money-making strategies with cryptocurrency. Again, all the information is for educational purposes only. But Apple and iPads and computers and phones, that kind of ties in with cryptocurrency. How would you check your cryptocurrency if you didn't have an iPad? How would you check your cryptocurrency if you didn't have a phone or computer? So with that, we're bringing you Apple 2021 iPad drops back down to $299 at Amazon. It's a solid deal if you're not worried about the color or the delivery times, it says. You know, a little update, Amazon has reverted the discount of the Apple 64G iPad returning to the original price. However, it remains at an all-time low. Don't worry if you missed out on the earlier deals. Amazon is selling the 64 GB entry level for $299. That's roughly, you know, $30 off the usual price. The 256 GB recently dropped to an amount of $449. So you got $299 or $449. That matches a previous discount at Walmart and Amazon. And it also is currently the lowest price we've ever seen on Apple's latest 10.2-inch slate. Don't get too upset over the color choices or the shipping time. Only space gray models appear in stock, and you have to wait about 3 weeks for the delivery. So space gray is what you're going to be getting for that discount, and 3 weeks to get there. Right here, you got your two things to choose from. Buy it for $299, or buy the one with more gigabytes for $449. So that's kind of cool. The tablet now uses an A13 Biot chip that reported 20% faster than the previous iPad. You know, 20% faster, that's freaking fantastic. So going up here at the top, Apple 2021 iPad drops at $299, or you can get the other one for $449. Over here at the Uniswap website, we'll come back to the price prediction right after this. Uniswap protocol. You know, it says swap, earn, and build on leading decentralized crypto trading protocols. You know, Uniswap is very popular. The trading volume of 712 billion. All-time trades, 83 mil. You know, Uniswap ecosystem, it's a growing network of DeFi apps. Explore them all. I mean, we got all kinds of different things here. Trust Wallet, Universal Finance, Burner Wallet, Rainbow Wallet. I mean, it goes on and on and on. There's going to be all kinds of different DeFi savers, instant DApp. You know, the Uniswap community is an ecosystem of users, developers, designers, and educators. Join the conversation. You can check them out on the Discord, Uniswap Labs, Uniswap Grant Programs, DeFi Educational Funds, Reddit, Governance Forum. All right, we're back over here at CoinMarketCap. So I'm just taking a look at this. 3 months ago, you know, for our price prediction, Uniswap was at $27 and $26 and $25. Right now, the coin's at $19.68. Our price prediction, I think it can easily go back to that 25, 26 by the end of the first quarter. All our information is for educational purposes only. But just like we look at the charts here, do your own research. Make sure you look at your charts. Right here, Uniswap at 18 is up 37%. Crypto.com is up 32% in the last 7 days. Matic is up 29%. Shiba, I mean, I'm telling you, there's some happy people that positioned themselves and bought the dip a week or two ago. Shiba Inu is up 28% in the last 7 days. Dogecoin's up 16%, 19 cents. Avalanche has got an 8% increase. Polkadot's up gigantically, 36%. Luna's up 18% at number 9. XRP's up 10%. Cardano, 27% uptick in 7 days. Solana up 15%. Binance up 10%. Ethereum's up 6%. And take a look at Bitcoin, over 51,000, almost kissing 52. All right, everybody, Uniswap, all kinds of good things going on with that. Tracking ETH whales with new apps. You find out within minutes of what's going on in the market. Don't forget to click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, this is a bonus video today at 5 o'clock, Monday, a little bit after Christmas and Christmas Eve. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day today.